In today's video, I'm going to go through a simple match betting offer step by step. Now, I've talked about match betting quite a lot on this channel and how it remains one of the easiest and simplest ways to start making money online. However, I've had a few emails and comments asking me if I could really break it down into its simplest form. So here we go. Alright, so I'm going to walk you through a very simple offer with William Hill. So William Hill offer bet 10 and get £30 in free bets. So I've actually checked this offer and they've changed it. It's actually better now. So this is the one that OddsMonkey have, which is a service which highlights all of the opportunities that are available, but they recently changed this, William Hill, so it's now bet 10 get 60. So you get £40 in free bets and you get a £20 free bet on Vegas, which is their casino product. So I'll walk you through how to take advantage of the sports bets right now. Okay, so the first step with any match betting offer is to place the qualifying bet. So this is the initial bet that we have to place in order to get the free bets. So we'll place a £10 free bet and then we'll be given £60 in free bets. So I'm using this software, which is the odds matcher from OddsMonkey, to highlight the best opportunities between a back and lay bet. And don't worry if you don't understand what I mean by back and lay, I'll explain that in a minute. And looking at these bets, I can see that the best one is probably Rockhouse here, which is odds of 3.25 to back and 3.25 to lay. And this finishes in about 3 hours. So it'll finish today and then we'll get the free bets given to us today later on. So you can use a calculator here to work out what you need to do. But given that the odds are exactly the same, it's pretty self-explanatory. So we can back Rockhouse at odds of 3.25 here. And we can lay it at odds of 3.25 here. So basically what this does is it covers all the outcomes of the event, because a back bet is when you're saying something will win. A lay bet is saying when you're saying that something will not win, so you're betting that something isn't going to win. So given that the odds are exactly the same, you can see that we will just break even on this initial £10 bet, and then we will be given the £60 free bets to take advantage of. So you can see this is why match betting is very lucrative. So you can see here is Rockhouse, and it is odds of 3.25. For some strange reason on desktop it's not letting me place a bet, so I'm going to place this bet on my mobile. Then we can go over to the exchange and we can place another £10 lay bet. Okay, so I can see that the odds have moved, so I'm going to put this bet in and wait for it to get taken. Okay, so you can see this bet has now been matched, so we're fully covered on our initial qualifying bet with no losses, and I'll come back later on once that bet has settled and we've been given the free bets, and I'll show you how to extract profit from the free bets. I'm back the day after the bet has settled. You can see that Rockhouse didn't win, so we lost £10 with William Hill. But if I go over to my Smarkets account, the betting exchange, you can see here that we actually won £10 with the lay bet, so we'll break even on the first bet, and now we have £40 in free bets to utilise and make some profit from. Alright, so moving on to the fun part of match betting, which is actually profiting and making money. So again, I'm going to use the odds matcher software with OddsMonkey, and we're looking at higher odds here to retain more of the free bet. So I've chosen my bookmaker, which is William Hill. I've chosen my betting exchange, which is Smarkets, and I've chosen the minimum back odds to be 5. Now you want to be backing at higher odds than you would do your qualifying bets on, as you want to retain more of the free bet. So I found one here which is Musselburgh at 5 o'clock, which is Scott's Poet, and it is odds of 13 on William Hill and 13 on Smarkets. So sometimes these do change, but at the moment that's an exact match. So if we go and have a look here, I've brought up Musselburgh at 5 o'clock. We can see that Scott's Poet is odds of 13. So I'm going to click rewards here. I'm going to put my free bet in of £10. I'm going to place that bet now. Okay, so if this wins, we'll win £120 on the free bet. So now I'm just going to go over to Smarkets and have a look at what I need to stake on Smarkets to lock in the profit. So we can see we go here on the calculator, we've got free bet stake not returned. So this is 10. So I need to lay £9.23 at odds of 13, and that will lock in a profit of £9.24 or £9.23 no matter the outcome. So Scott's Poet here, yeah, it's still odds of 13. And there we go, that's the first free bet done and dusted. Okay, so this is how things look at the moment. We did the first bet, which was the qualifying bet. There was 0 profit, so 0 profit, 0 loss. And then on the second bet, which was the free bet, we've made a profit of £9.23, and we've still got 3 more free bets to take advantage of. So let's see how much we make overall. Alright, let's move on to the second bet. So I've just refreshed this and we've got this Jack and Fox, which is an exact match, but it is Irish racing and I tend to stay away from that. So I'm going to go with this one instead, Art of Diplomacy, which is odds of 6 to back and odds of 6 to lay. So let's see if these odds still exist. Okay, so we can see Art of Diplomacy is 6 here. So again, I'm going to place my bet. Oops, clicked the wrong button there. So I'm going to apply it, and then done, and place it. So because we are staking at slightly lower odds than the previous one, we will not retain as much as our free bet, but I thought I'd just give you an example to kind of show you so that you can understand. So I'm going to find Art of Diplomacy. Okay, so Art of Diplomacy is still 6, so let's have a look at what we need to lay to lock in a profit. Okay, so again, stake, we go here to the free bet, stake not returned. We see this time we will stake £8.33. Alright, so that's the second bet done, and we've made a profit of £8.33. And our overall profit so far for the offer is £17.56. Alright, let's just repeat the process for the third bet. So I'll refresh the odds matcher, and I like this one here, Super Saber Sam, 6.5 and 6.6. So again, we'll just check that these odds still exist. So it's Newbury, 1637. Okay, Super Saber Sam is here at odds of 6.5, so I'll apply the bet, done, place bet, and if it wins it'll win 55. Now I just need to go over and lay the bet. So here we are, we've got Super Saber Sam at odds of 6.6. There's only £5 liquidity, but it will still likely get matched as that liquidity will fill. So open the calculator, put it onto free bet, stake not returned again. See, £10, £10. So again, it's £8.35 or £8.33. So I'll put £8.35 in, and there you go. It's been matched straight away. So another £8.35 has been made from this offer, and in total now we're at £25.91 profit with one free bet left to do. Alright, moving on to the last bet then. So I've refreshed it, and I'm going to do a different bet. I'm not going to stick with horse racing, as it might just flag me as an obvious match better. So I'm going to go with this one, which is Utah Jazz, which are odds of 7 and 7.4. So this is NBA, this is in basketball. So select basketball here with William Hill. And moving down here, I can see that Utah Jazz are odds of 7. So again, I use my free bet. Okay, if Utah Jazz win, then £60 will be won here. So we go over to Markets, we put in Utah Jazz, and we can see that there is £40 here at odds of 7.4, so let's lay this bet. Okay, so this time we'll make a profit of about £8.10, so I have to lay £8.10 here. So here's £8.10, and you can see if this bet was to lose, we would lose £51.86 here, but obviously over on the other side we'll win £60. Alright, so we've put in the final bet and we've made £8.10. And you can see that our total profit for this match betting offer has been £34.01. So this is, yeah, like I say, really easy money. And that's as simple as match betting is. Out of all the ways that I've tried to make money online, it really is the simplest and easiest one. Now, there isn't an endless amount of money to make from match betting. The free bets do start to dry up, but at the low end, you're going to make a couple of £100. And if you really get into match betting and you learn about all the strategies and you do some of the more advanced ones, you can make thousands and thousands of pounds, and it's a really good earner. So if you do want to unlock more of these offers, I would suggest going over to OddsMonkey and taking advantage of their free trial if you're based in the UK. If you're not based in the UK, there are other options which I'll also put in the description. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it beneficial. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.